Okay, let's take a start. This is IELTS speaking part 1 and I'm going to ask you some questions and you can answer in a short, brief, direct manner.
Okay.
The topic is area you live in.
Yes.
Do you like the area you live in?
Yes, I love the area I live in. It is very clean, beautiful, and it is very peaceful place for living.
Okay,
so I
now
love that
just
area.
try to add 1 to 2 more sentences to the
Um,
same answer. Like, first answer the question. Answer means you like it.
Yes.
Elaborate your answer means reasons for your likeness,
Yes.
and one sentence conclusion. I asked you the same question again. Do you like the area you live in?
Yes, I love the area I live in because it is very beautiful and it is very peaceful place to live, and it has all the facilities like banks, grocery stores, and parks, hospitals, everything.
So for all these reasons, I
Yes,
love my area.
for all these reasons,
Conclusion.
I love this
Very
place.
good, very good. So, you speak English, you just need to tailor your answers or trim your answers according to the question, that's
Okay.
it. Let's go on. What are some changes in the area recently?
Yes, the area is changing slowly, and one change that I recently saw is a grocery store open in front of my house, and now I don't need to go far away for my small things.
Okay,
So
this is
I
very
think-
good. So you can add one more sentence at the end to close your answer. So the recent change is that grocery store, and because of that my life has become very easier, something like that. Do you know any famous people in your area?
No, I don't know any famous people in my area, but I know the people who connect with famous peoples like politicians and business peoples. So I know that peoples, but I directly know any people.
Yeah, I know those people, but
Those
I have
people.
no idea about any person who is really famous
Yes.
and all that. Okay,
Yeah.
even till the end, you should conclude and then finish your answer.
Okay.
Don't leave it like in the air, hanging in the air. Let's go on. Where do you like to go in that area?
As I said, my area has all the facilities. So there is a park. So I spend my free time there, and it is very beautiful and like greenery and all.
Okay, now don't describe the park. Just focus that where do you like to go in that area. Well, as I
like to
mentioned,
go in
yeah,
the park.
I would like to go to the park
In the
because
free time and,
yeah, some of my friends also come there. So in the evening we take a walk together. I mean, this is all posing. You're not doing it actually.
Okay.
Right, but you are just pretending anything for an answer. You have to give an ideal answer to the examiner. Even if you're not doing all these things, no problem, but you just have to pretend so that you could show your language skills and all that. Okay, it's your turn, please. You can clip the mic. I'm going to ask you some questions about tea and coffee. So, do people in your country like to drink tea or coffee?
Yes, most people love to drink tea in my country. Even that I love to drink tea, but most people who live in cities prefer coffee.
Okay, this is good. Just try to speak in a flow that it becomes fluent, right? Okay, let's move on. Do you prepare tea or coffee for guests when they come to your house?
Yes, I have prepared tea for guests in my home.
I have prepared is
I
not
have-
right. Do you prepare? I do. I always prepare tea for the guests when they come to my house, like that. So please answer again. Do you prepare tea or coffee for the guests when they come to your house?
Yes, I do prepare coffee or tea for my guests in my home.
Okay. You need to elaborate
And
it further.
most of our guests appreciate me.
Okay. When was the last time you drank tea or coffee?
I drank tea last evening with my family.
Now this is a very short answer. Like, when was the last time you drank tea or coffee? I drank tea with my family last evening. Actually, I was home and the weather was very good. So I decided to make some tea and we enjoyed the tea while it was raining outside. नहीं भी है बारिश तो कर दें. Okay, you just need, I mean, you understand what I mean?
Yes.
एक अच्छा सा ideal answer, very good one, examiner के मुंह पे मार दें. That's it, and then they will give you good pen score on that. और अगर सोचने बैठ जाएंगे कल तो हमने चाय बनाई नहीं थी, फिर आंसर नहीं होगा. ठीक है, इसका थोड़ा सा ख्याल करना है, राइट। चलें, थैंक यू।